guys, Lena here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and I just want to say thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I sincerely appreciate the support, guys. I sincerely appreciate the support. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who take out your time to watch my videos, who leave comments on my videos, who like my videos, who dislike my videos, and who even go a step further and even share my content, and are just very thoughtful and have been supporting me so far on my journey, even in times where I was inconsistent with posting videos. Stuck with me and kept on encouraging me with your views, because each time I see that okay, somebody watched my videos, it encourages me by telling me that okay, if someone watches it, then it means that okay, I may have added value to the person, or I have just shared an information that would save somebody cost or just help somebody, you know, make the right choices in life and all of that. So guys, I just really want to say thank you so much for your support, for subscribing to my channel, for liking my videos, for sharing my content. I just really want to say thank you so much. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into the subject of today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing ENL Beauty's 30-inch long wig. So this wig right here is the subject matter of today's video, and if you want to hear everything about this wig, stop right now and subscribe to my channel, because I noticed that I have a lot of people who watch my videos but are not subscribed to my channel. So please stop what you're doing right now and click that subscribe button just right below, and also turn on the post notification bell so you know when next I upload a video to my channel. And make sure you like this video because you're gonna get value out of it. This wig right here, should I take it off from a mannequin? What do you think? Okay, let me just show you what the wig looks like on a mannequin, then I'll take it off and maybe like show you what the hair is like, and you know, just really expose everything about this wig right here to you. So guys, this wig right here is made from Vietnamese hair, and what's the combination which was used in making this wig is 3 bundles of 30-inch double drawn hair and a 24-inch closure. The reason why I use the 24-inch closure is because of course it's difficult to find closures that are longer than 24-inch. So most times the longest closure you find in the market is usually 24-inch, and the closure is of also Vietnamese hair. So if you're making wigs for your client, when you are using Vietnamese hair, or when you're using bundles that are Vietnamese hair, always make sure you use a closure that is also Vietnamese, so that you don't have your wig looking ratchet at the upper part because you're trying to be cheap with your closure. So the hair and the closure was sourced from the same vendor, was sourced from the same supplier rather. That's why you can see a uniformity with the color of the closure and the color of the hair, and even the texture of the hair at the up part and the texture of the hair at the bottom part, guys. So that's the combination which I used for this hair. And really, let's go more in depth. I want to take this I want to take the wig off of the mannequin and show you guys what it does look like without being on the mannequin stand. Okay guys, so the closure which I used for this wig is the 2x6 closure. So you can see that it's what they call a Kim K closure. Yeah, I used the Kim K closure for making this wig right here, and it's true to length. It's very true to length. And when you wear this wig, I think I should take off the what I'm wearing right now and wear this wig so you guys get to see how long it looks like on me. So guys, just watch and see how long this wig is. I think I should raise my camera higher so you guys get to get a full view of what this hair is like. Yeah, so this is the wig right here. Yeah. Ooh. So guys, you can see how long this hair is. It's really true to length, and this is exactly 30 inch, and it's just you can see where the length is at. It's literally on my butt. If you've been wanting to get a 30-inch wig and You're wondering how long that 30-inch hair is going to be. This is the standard, guys. If your hair seller gives you 30-inch hair and it's not on your butt like this, return it back and buy your 30-inch hair from ENL Beauty. Look at it again. You can see it's right there, yeah, on my butt. So guys, I know you want to know how much this hair costs. So this hair actually costs just $340, which is equivalent to 170,000 naira in naira. And with the dollar rate, which is 340, rather with the dollar cost of the hair, $340, you can convert it to whatever currency which you use in the country which you live in. I think I should sit down and continue this video. I'm not used to standing to make video. The cost price of this hair is $340, and in naira it's 170,000 naira, which is quite affordable because it's Vietnamese hair. It's expensive, but you're sure you're getting quality. You're sure you're getting hair that would stand the test of time. You're sure you're getting hair that when you use, your friends will love it, and you will use it and use it and use it and use it, and it will still look bomb. I can assure you of that. And the thing with this hair is the texture is not, it's not, how do I describe the texture? It's smooth. It's smooth. You could easily run your fingers through the hair. You can easily run your fingers through the hair, and even while I'm running my fingers through the hair, there's literally no hair coming off. Like, you're not getting any hair, like, pulling out of the hair or cutting out. So this hair is not prone to what do you call it, shedding. The hair is not prone to shedding. It's not even prone to tangling, because of course it's good hair. So guys, and one thing you always want to look out for when you're buying hair is you want to ensure that the hair which you're buying is consistent. Like, you don't want a situation whereby each strand on the hair looks different. You want to ensure that when you're buying hair, the strands on the hair are the same. Not like you're seeing, oh, one looks black, one looks brownish, like you're seeing different mixes of hair. That just tells you that the hair which you are looking at, then it's a mixture of various hairs. So with this hair, you're finding out that each of the strand is consistent. So what you're getting here is donor hair sourced from a single donor and merged together. Do you get? You're getting donor hair right here. That's the reason why the hair is a bit on the pricey side, though I know there are vendors who sell hair up to about $1,000, $2,000 and $3,000, but for me, I don't deal on that because I know I wouldn't even buy that for myself. So I tend to sell more affordable luxury. They are getting very good quality hair that you could use for over 10 years or even 20 years. So depending on how you manage it, you're getting affordable and very, very good quality. So guys, if you're looking out to get a 30-inch bone straight hair that you can also still coil, if you're tired of the straight look, you want it to look wavy, then I think you should invest in getting ENL Beauty's 30-inch Vietnamese straight hair, and it retails for just $340. If you're in Nigeria, it retails for 170,000 naira. That's plus the cost of wigging the hair. If you're probably just buying just the bundles without wigging, it costs 166,000 naira. So wigging was discounted to just 4,000 naira because the hair is from me. So I'm invariably wigging the hair for free for you at the price of 170k. So guys, if you like the way this hair looks like, just look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. If you like the way the hair looks, let me know in the comment section. And if you like to try out something this long, let me also know in the comment section. And of course, the hair was really full. Let me merge it together so you guys get to see how full this hair is. This is just 3 bundles of hair and the closure. And the closure which I use is the 2x6 closure. So that just tells you that the hair is quite full. Because most times when you buy hair that's like 30-inch long, you might have to buy 4 bundles because most times it ends up looking scanty. So with this one, 3 bundles was more than enough for a full head. So you can see how full the hair is from here even down towards the tip. It's still full. It still retains that fullness. So with this hair, getting like from the up part is full down towards the tips is also very full. Do you get? It's also very free. The quality of the hair is really nice, guys. So if you need good quality Vietnamese hair, holla at ENL Beauty. I'm gonna put a link to ENL Beauty's website in the description box. If you want to order this week, you can hit me up on the website and place an order for this week. And take note, I tend to do more of what they call it, pre-orders. So it's not something that if you order this week, you're gonna get it straight up. If you order the wig today, you can't get it immediately. So you need to wait at least 2 to 3 weeks or maximum 1 month before you actually your order gets ready, because I don't tend to buy a large stock of the hair I keep, because most times I might not be sure of the length which you may want. So you might see this 30-inch now and you may not like the fact that, oh, it's so long. You might want something like 28-inch or 26-inch or 24-inch or even 22-inch or 20-inch, and I might not have that particular length in stock. So I would need to place, or I'll need to get the particular length which you want and make it with the type of closure you want. You might want a 2x4 closure, you might want a 2x6 closure, you might want a 4x4 closure, and you might even want a frontal. So in a case whereby how you want your wig to look is different from the way I made this one, then of course the price might differ. If it's a shorter length, it might be lower, and then if you're using a frontal, the price is obviously going to go higher, because Vietnamese frontals are actually very pricey. So that's just the reason why you have to wait a bit before you receive your hair, because it's gonna be on a pre-order basis. Because it's when you place your orders, I'm gonna start working on the order, because of course I have to receive the hair, I have to get the material which I'll be using in making the wig, and then also hand make the wig. But if you wanted as a bundle, if you wanted as just bundles and closure, I'm going to ship it to you immediately so you could get your hair faster. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video and if you'd like to try ENL Beauty's 30-inch long hair, yeah, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And thank you so much to all my subscribers. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends who might be interested in getting into the hair industry. And also, if you've seen this hair now and you feel like it's too expensive and you would rather just get the vendor information and buy the hair directly from the vendor, I also have my hair vendor information available on sale. So if you feel like you don't want to buy the hair from me because the hair is pricey and you rather just cut me off and go directly to the supplier, hit me up for my hair vendor information, because it's available on sale. So you could instead of having to always purchase hair from me and you're giving me like profits from a hair which you purchase, you could go directly to the source and cut out that, and you end up cutting costs in the long run. So just hit me up if you're interested in my hair vendor information, guys. And if you want the wig, also hit me up to pre-order yours and I'll have it delivered to you wherever you are at. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. And remember, be bold and have courage. Live a positive life, guys. God loves you. I also love you too. Thank you so much for watching. Nice hair. Wow. If I was to wear this wig out, I'll just be misbehaving, man. It's so bam. Wow.